Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to VIVO Y200. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, choose the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of VIVO. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on VIVO. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your VIVO's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then select Receive. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!